A lot of people ask us the difference between our dark chocolate and our milk chocolate. Well, the dark chocolate used is a beautiful, rich European style of cocoa powder. So it's rich and creamy, it's delicious. It's like drinking a 70% beautiful eating chocolate, and it's delicious. It's sugar-free, gluten-free, vegan, and really, really yummy. We've got a bit of carob in here. We've also got maca powder. We've got some cinnamon and some vanilla as well, which gives it that beautiful finishing touch. Now, our milk chocolate, on the other hand, it's a lot lighter. We use raw cacao powder in our milk chocolate. You'll see the difference in the color, and the taste profile is very different as well. It's slightly sweeter due to the little bit of the carob that's in here as well. And we've got lucuma in here, so it's very nurturing and nourishing. We've even got some cinnamon and some vanilla in here as well. So two different styles of chocolate. You can drink them both hot and cold, and I just want to show you how easy it is to make. Now, I've got a few teaspoons of the dark chocolate in this cup. And what I want to do is just add a little bit of hot water, and I want to just give it a bit of a mix. So I like to mix mine just with a bit of water first, and I love to use a matcha whisk for this too, because it's nice to combine. And then I've just heated up, I've got some almond milk here, and I've just heated up some almond milk in my little milk frother, and I'm pouring this over the top. Look at that, beautiful, gorgeous, little bit of chocolate over the top. Now you can sweeten that to your taste. So I normally add a little bit of honey or a little bit of maple syrup, or sometimes nothing, because it doesn't need anything anyway. But this is how I love to drink it. So a little bit of hot water first, and then you can top it up with your choice of plant-based milk.